Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, guys. We made it. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast free shipping. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Add this to your cart, which is my Amazon affiliate link. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, click it now, and they'll ship this to you fast. Alright. Easy. What is this? Oh, baby. This is coming from Basin, or this is WaterSong. Ooh. This is a Basin faucet. WaterSong. Perfect for aqua. Alright, check them out. Also, there's their website. I'll leave that linked also. But definitely check them out on Amazon. And see what other ones they have. I'm going to see my installers around today. And have this hooked up in a few. Oh, this is simple. Okay. Oh yeah, look at this. Hot, cold. See, it comes out this way, pours out. The water goes out this way. Kind of looks like a waterfall. So really cool. Got that. I think that's all you need. It's got a plug and play kind of type deal. So we're going to be right back in a few. And then, ooh. Okay. Button in there. Cool. We'll be right back, guys. I'm going to give them a call and have it installed.
Finished Waterfall faucet, which has added incredible value to the appearance of our bathroom. It stands about 6 inches tall. It has a 360-degree rotating head, and the water gushes out of this bad boy at a whopping 1.2 gallons per minute. That is a waterfall. Super simple to install, but one thing that you need to pay attention to is that this is a one-hole installation, and it does not come with this cover plate. Most faucets, you have your hot and your cold, and then your spigot. 3 holes, but not this one. So you either have to use an old trim plate or purchase a new one that matches the color. This swivel head is simply one of the neatest things that we've seen in a faucet. You're hot, you're cold, you're warm. It's nice. We like it. I think you will too.